Hello friends, welcome to Chai Kahani. Today let us discuss about the series Paatal Lok so that you can decide if the series is worth your watch. This review is not intended to hurt anyone's feelings, but these are the true emotions that I felt while watching the series. Paatal Lok has been released today on Amazon Prime Video. It is an amazing suspense thriller to watch. Several aspects of the movie make it unique in its own way. So without further ado, let's get started. So coming to the opening scene, it says that the universe is of three worlds: the Swarglok, where gods reside, the Dharti Lok or the earth, where the humans reside, and the Paatal Lok, where the insect resides. After these opening dialogues, I was literally mind blown away. I felt this was no regular series. Let me explain about this later. So coming to the story, there are four suspects who are nabbed for conspiring a murder of a prime-time journal. This case lands to a cop who, in his entire career, had never had a big case. And later during the process of the investigation, how the cop comes out to know about the disturbing past of the four suspects and how the entire investigation turns into a maze forms the plot of the story. Firstly, let us brush off with the bad aspects of the series. I believe any story has three aspects: a setup, a conflict or a middle part, and a conclusion or an ending. What I felt was that setting up the story during the initial episodes was a bit slow paced. The series tend to catch up on some of the important aspects pertaining to the society, which is really good, but I felt they could have gone a little bit deeper. There are some really emotional and gruesome scenes to watch, and definitely not for faint-hearted. There are too many character lines who come and go in the series, but not everyone is that really significant. Also, I felt the ending could have been a little more dramatic, because I felt that the movie was pacing up amazingly well, and I as a viewer expected a lot in the climax, but was a little disappointed. But let's not take that away, because the series is really engaging, and maybe because of that I wanted it to end on a really high note. Now let us come to the good aspects. Even though slow paced, the series engages you completely in it. Seems funny, but for the first time I have noticed the names of the episodes, and let me tell you, they are really apt for each and every episode. The most important aspect or the amazing thing about the series is its plotline. What creates a massive impact on the viewers is the hard reality shown in the series, faced by people at different parts, whether it be politics, casteism, sexual abuse, religion or revenge. I felt the three words that I mentioned at the start, Swarglok, Dharti Lok and Paatal Lok, aptly shows its similarities in the present society, where the Swarglok is nothing but the rich, the Dharti Lok the middle class, and the Paatal Lok the poor. I don't really want to support this, but I felt the connection between them to be so apt and real. Another amazing aspect of the film is its dialogues, the screenplay and the engaging suspense it maintains till the end without dragging that much. The acting performances by Jaideep Ahlawat, Neeraj Kabi and Abhishek Banerjee are a real treat to watch. Also, I should mention about the dialogues. Damn, they are really amazing, and some of them literally frighten me. At the end, I can say that the series definitely moves you. These define, drive and mold every aspect of our lives, even though bad, but practically hard-hitting reality. After watching the series, I really doubted whether what's going on the news, if it is really true or it is made up to cover up something really big in the background. This surely messed with the way we think after the series. The series should be definitely on your watch list. Lastly, I want to say that this is a unique series and cannot be missed. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it, and if you really liked the content, please like and subscribe to Chai Kahani, and let us again meet in the next one.